Hi you guys, it's Dr. Payne with Dr. Payne Fitness, and I just wanted to talk to you guys about meal prepping while cooking for dinner. So a lot of times you see, especially on Sunday, everybody has their meals all laid out, and I'm one of the people who hate to meal prep. Like, I do maybe a couple of meals in advance, some leftover protein for my dinner and throw it on top of some lettuce, and that's as fancy as I get. I almost eat oatmeal every day, and I have my Shakeology, so that's how dull I am, I should say. But I just want to show you guys, when you are going to meal prep, to keep it easy, keep it simple, put it in your normal everyday routine. So if you're making your family dinner, which I just did, so I should be ashamed to show you guys what we're eating, because you think, oh, doctor, you're probably eating fruits and veggies all the time, and that's absolutely not true. I have a family, and they like other foods, so you have to please everyone, or at least try to. So I just want to show you really quickly that meals ready to go. These are some sauteed chicken breasts. I got these great containers from Costco, and I will post a copy of those for you guys later. And I also want to show you, I have some steamed broccoli. My family is having macaroni and cheese, and I have some steamed kale that's going to go on my meal prep. And my family is having some pork chops. I'm going to be having the chicken breast. I did this, I cooked it at the same time, since I was going to be in the kitchen anyway, waiting on broccoli, might as well steam some kale, and I was going to be, doing the pork chops for my kids and my husband. I might as well go ahead and make my chicken breast. So that's what I do, and tomorrow I'll probably make some potatoes or some brown rice. So I try to keep it simple. So I just want to encourage you guys to try to keep it simple, but to get it done, and I hope you guys are having a super Saturday, and have a good evening.